So we're out here today doing some preventative maintenance on this water circulation system. And it's very important to make sure the circulation system is filtered and cleaned and or strained on a periodic basis, so you don't have debris and other foreign matter clogging up the mechanical systems down the line. These particular suction line diffusers or water strainers will come out and we can clean them. They catch all the foreign matter in the circulation system. We do this at least 2 to 4 times a year depending on the situation. This particular system is set up for redundancy, where one motor will run one day and then the next day the second motor will run. This water circulation pump system is set up on variable frequency drives, which increase or decrease the water circulation depending on the demand of the load on the building and or the mechanical systems.